This quick video is about how to fix iPhone hotspot automatically disconnects when screen gets locked. Okay, let's see that. First, on your iPhone, go to Settings. Then click on Cellular and scroll down to the end and turn off this Wi-Fi assist. Hopefully it will solve your issue. If still not, again go to Settings, General and scroll down to the end, then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Reset, then tap Reset Network Settings. And if you enter your screen password, your network settings will be completely resetted. Hopefully this time your issue will be solved. That's it for now. I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.